In this quick tutorial, I'm going to explain you how to use maintenance connection from Accruent. So basically, maintenance connection by Accruent is a powerful CMMS for managing assets, work orders, and preventive maintenance. Now, if we go to pricing, we can see here that we have different pricing based on the plan that you want to choose. So as you can see, this has a mobile add-on. This is for professionals, 3 or more users. So it's gonna be around $110 per month per user. You just have to log in and add assets including equipment, locations, and parts. Create work orders manually or triggered by conditions/events. Then schedule preventive maintenance with calendars and checklists. And then you can analyze data and reports to improve uptime and reduce costs. So basically that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, guys.